How to make simple glass effect in Adobe Photoshop. Having a gradient background makes a more visually pleasing result. Add your text. Having bold text is better, since we will be blurring it. Of course, it can also be done with thin typefaces, but require more tweaking. I will be adding a simple white shape for this example to use as our glass piece. Add it above the text layer. Duplicate your text layer and place it above the white shape layer. Go to your white shape layer. Choose the magic wand tool and click on your white shape. Your white shape should now be selected. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Click the text layer under your white shape and add a layer mask. Note it's not clipping mask. Select your white shape layer, choose Magic Wand tool and click on your white shape to select it again. This time, don't invert it, simply go straight to the text layer above your white shape layer and, same as previously, add a layer mask. Click on the text layer above your white shape and create a clipping mask. Go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Play around with the slider to find the perfect blur for your text. Click on your white shape layer. Lower the opacity below 50%. Left-click on your white shape layer, go to Blending Options, add a drop shadow in a soft tone that is slightly darker than your darkest color except black. Above your top text layer, make a new layer. Create a clipping mask, so it only applies to the text in the white shape. Choose colors similar to the close proximity areas of your white shape. Using the gradient tool, play around with adding additional effects in the corners. This basic tutorial can be combined with more editing to create more advanced looks, depth and blur styles. Have fun!